Okay guys, hello, I'm Evan83 and I made a video early today because I just wanted to talk to you guys. I wanted to say hi, I wanted to say hello, I wanted to say have a good day. And this is my cat Ginger. Say hi Ginger. Hey kitty. Hey. Anyway, I just want to say that I just wanted to show you my cat Ginger. I don't really have anything else to say today, just so I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and please like and subscribe. I'm sorry Ginger's not looking at the camera. I can't. Hey kitty! Ginger! Ginge! Ginge? Hey kitty! Hey! Alright, so bye. Like and subscribe, check out my stories on Wattpad, Tumblr, and check out my Twitter. Okay, thanks. Bye!